You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names once and for all correctly. I still hear too many people mispronounce it. What is the correct pronunciation in English? Well, it's simply, let's break it down. Steve. Essentially, to remember it, just move the E around before the V. Steve. It's quite a long E sound. I mean, you don't have to exaggerate it. Don't say Steve. No, Steve. But it's quite a long E sound. It's not just Steve, alright? It's Steve. How to pronounce in English, pronunciation, Steve. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.